Valve adjustment on Jenbacher J 420 gas engines was carried out meticulously as a critical part of the 2K maintenance process. First, the engine was completely shut down, gas and electrical connections were disconnected, and sufficient time was allowed for the engine to cool. Once all safety measures were in place, the valve covers were carefully removed. Special care was taken to avoid any damage to components, ensuring a smooth workflow. Throughout the entire process, safety remained our top priority. Each cylinder was then brought to the top dead center position to ensure the valves were correctly aligned for precise adjustment. Using a feeler gauge, valve clearances were checked against the manufacturer's specifications. If any gaps were outside the required range, they were corrected using the adjustment screw and lock nut. After the adjustments, all nuts were tightened with a torque wrench according to the recommended torque values. After the valve adjustment was completed, the spark plugs were installed and tightened according to the torque values specified by the manufacturer. Once all cylinders were adjusted, final inspections were carried out and the valve covers were reinstalled. Electrical connections were restored, and after completing the final system checks, the engine was put into operation. The engine was then started for a test run, and any unusual sounds or vibrations were carefully monitored. As a result, the 2K maintenance, carried out meticulously by our team, was successfully completed.